So you can just watch these. All right, so everybody's eyes are up here. I'm asking questions. I'm asking them to specific people today. So if I start with the top line, y is greater than or equal to 2/3 x plus 3. I need to start where, Renee?
You need to start at positive 3 on the y-axis.
Okay, so which direction do I go?
Up.
So I go up to 3, good. And from there, where do I move? Dylan?
Right, 2, right? Up 2.
Up 2, because it's rise and run.
Yeah.
Okay, so I can go in either direction. Is this top one going to be a solid or a dotted line, Miguel?
Solid.
Solid, good. And do I shade above or below based on the symbol? Anybody? Everybody?
Above.
Above. Greater than above. So above the y-intercept, shade it lightly. Okay, I switch. So now y is greater than negative 4/3 x minus 3. So my y-intercept is what, Braden? Y-intercept of the second line? Negative 3, down 3. Quincy, where do I move from here? Down 4 and over 3. So I'm out of room, I can go the other way. Over 3. Okay, let me erase that. Based on the symbol, is this a solid or a dotted line? Dotted, good. Bless you. And do I shade above or below? Oh, we had a disagreement. Above or below? Above, greater than. So above the y-intercept, so I'm over here. So when you're looking at solutions that are written out for you, the only part that's shaded is the overlap. So this section in here. Okay? Show me thumbs up, thumbs down in the middle. Where are you with these? Good? Everybody's good on these? Okay, I think so. Got it?
I guess.
Did we forget if that's a match? Okay. So negative 2x minus 2.
Is there an E at the end of slope?
Yes.
Okay. I almost put slop.
Okay. Hold on for 1 second.
Now I get
You
mine
still have a
as comments.
negative there in front of your y. So what do you have to do to get y by itself?
Is she trying to?
If it's negative 1, negative 1 times y.
Are you doing this problem?
No. She has hers over there.
Okay, because I was doing this.
So now this is y.
And what do you do with the symbol? Good. Negative divided by negative is a
positive.
positive 2. Good.
Okay, so what's
So now you're looking for 2x plus 2.
so my problem would just be positive 4.
Yes, for the slope.
All right.
So you need a y-intercept of 2, Kayla.
Would that be a negative now?
Yes.
All right.
Okay, I found it.
I found one.
I mean, never mind. Don't.
Okay, that was good. I like it. You're still reasoning through them.
What?
Okay. Hayden, is your group done? Okay, so you can put those in a pile, put them up on the table. And then flip your computers up and get started on Alex, please.
Now I'm going to start with dotted too. Oh, hand me that one. Yeah.
Okay, where are we at? Still going?
He needs. I need to make sure he's doing it right, so I can't sure. Is that good?
Did we do this right? Let's see. Minus x, negative, negative.
Is that it?
Good, it looks good.
Looks good.
But you can simplify. What's a negative divided by a negative become?
I didn't think about it.
So you get your negatives right here, but when we do systems this morning.
See?
Good, okay, so they're dotted lines because they're not underlined. Y-intercepts
So
are
you just
3
do
and negative 3.
like this?
Uh-huh.
Really?
Put your x back there.
Oh my god.
There you go.
Oh my god.
Okay, Justin, you got it?
Yeah. I hope.
Think so?
Yes.
Good. Okay, now fine. Is that the graph that matches?
Yep.
Okay, so let's make sure we've got. So where's my y-intercept of negative 3?
-3. Y-intercept.
Yep.
Should have. Not.
Good. And then does it have a slope of positive 2?
Yeah.
And what kind of line should it be with that symbol?
Dotted.
And it is, and we shade it above. Okay. Good. Okay. All right, find another one. All right, are we done? Almost? Almost. Okay. We have 2 more left. And do these all have reasons as you were going?
Not yet.
Not yet?
Go back and do it.
Okay, if they're working on the last 2, you can start with some reasons. Gabe, you can start with some reasons on here. Because do you guys just have 2 left, 3 left? 4? Okay. Yeah, if you do it, because you guys got 4, so you can split it up a little bit. Don't mess up the pairs.
I'm stuck right here. I think I did this wrong.
So we subtracted x, which is good. And so we had negative x plus 3, and then we divided by a negative 1. Good. When you divide by a negative, what do you do with that symbol? Switch it around. So that's probably going to help you.
And is this formation for this one okay?
So if you bring 2x over, you wrote negative here. Make sure we keep the negative there.
Oh,
And don't flip the sign, because we didn't divide by a negative.
okay.
Yep, what's up, Chris?
Stuck on this one too.
Let's see, we subtracted 2x, and then, okay, so you still have a negative y here. So you're not done yet, you got one more step. Put that plus back, because that was positive. Okay, what do you do to get y by itself?
Divide.
Yes, by what?
1. No.
Number.
2.
What number is in there? Invisible number.
1.
Negative 1. So divide everything by a negative 1. I don't see any negatives there. Okay?
Need 3.
Mm-hmm.
2. No.
Oh.
2, right?
Yes.
And then how would you write
Good. Just put your x so you don't forget it. How would you write what?
like this stuff on the back?
So tell me 2 reasons you know that that was a graph that matched.
So I can say the slope represents the information given.
So be specific.
Yeah, I'm Reggie.
So what was the slope of my dotted line?
2x over 1.
Negative 2x.
Yeah, negative.
So the slope of my dotted line was negative 2. My y-intercept was positive 3.
Okay.
Yep. You can do bullet points. It doesn't have to be super, crazy long. All right, we're going to go about 6 more minutes by 10:10. I need you done. I need everything on the front counter or table, and you're on Alex. You guys got your stuff up there?
Yes.
Okay. So, yep, you're on Alex now. Okay, you guys are almost there.
Is there one more problem left?
Savannah's got one over there.
Here's a graph.
Do you have 2? You got one of each? You've got one of each. Well, no, because she still has one there, so I don't think. Kayla, do we know this is a match yet?
No, I don't
No?
know yet.
Okay. So let's see. Let's do that. Does this look better? Okay.
Oh, okay.
So that's probably going to be yours, but to tell me why this works, you still need to solve them. Yep.